Okay, so if you guys saw my last video, you guys saw where I went to Lowe's. So I went to Lowe's and Home Depot. So I picked these up from Home Depot. It is a outlet cover in black. And they also had these color caps in black for outlets. And I thought this was really cool. So what I did is I changed up some of my outlet covers to be black on black. And I really kind of like how that is a cool complement to the wallpaper that I plan on putting up. So hopefully that the course of next month, or this month now, I'll be able to finish the wallpaper. And then I will also be putting these black outlet covers around the rest of the room. So also, I did get an outlet cover for the switch, but of course I want to see what I can do to kind of paint this black. So it's not so much of that type of contrast. But I really think that this is a cool way to kind of update your room and your outlets for pretty cheap. I think this one right here was like $2-3, and I think this was like around $3 or $4 too. So, and they give you around what, 4 or 5 of them. So yeah, not bad. So far so good. I like them, and they seem to be working. And you can see, you can plug things in here easily without too much of an issue and still get your electricity. So if you guys are looking for a cool way to kind of update your space, especially your outlet covers, they do sell colorful outlet covers.